First, open the door and ensure that the filters are clean and locked in correctly. Then load your dishes. Make sure that no objects are blocking the spray arms from rotating. Add detergent and rinse aid before closing the door. Next, touch the power button. Make sure that the salt and rinse aid indicator lights are off. Press the button to select your desired program. Select any extra options if necessary. After 10 seconds, the wash cycle will begin. Note that the screen shows the duration of the selected program before the cycle begins. After the cycle has begun, the screen display will continue to the remaining time if the door is open. During the cycle, a built-in safety device will stop the machine. Once the door has been closed back, the program will pick up where it left off.